As evening draws near, it is time for the Shandha Arati of Goddess Bhavatarini. Every day, innumerable devotees gather here to offer their prayers as they clap their hands in accompaniment to the chant of Joy Ma, Joy Ma, Joy Ma, Joy Joy Ma.
Jagat sarvam tvang jagat janani shive Mahadadyanu paryantam jadit sacharacharam Tvavaivatpaditam bhadre tvadadhinamidam jagat Tvamadya sarva vidyanam asmakamapi janmabhuk Tvang janasi jagat sarvam na tvang janati kaschana Tvang kali tarani durga shodashi bhuvaneshwari Bhumavati tvang bagala bhairavi chinnamastaka Tvamannapurna vagdevi tvang devi kamalalaya Sarvashakti swarupa tvang sarvadevamai tanu Tvame